Hey friends, Paul here with an aromatherapy electric diffuser special. Recently, I acquired some California eucalyptus leaves from a friend who is in California. This stuff is so refreshing, exhilarating, crushed up in the electronic diffuser. That's right. You don't just have to use bottles of pre-made essential oils, even though they smell absolutely wonderful. So it's got me thinking about other cool natural botanicals that we can use. Here I've got some juniper, otherwise known as American cedar. It's really in the cypress family. So I'm going to crush this up. And cedar leaves, I just have such a pungent, warm, aromatic presence. You want to crush this stuff up really well to release those oils as the electronic diffuser ramps up. So now I've got a combination of the California eucalyptus and native New England juniper cedar. I can definitely smell that eucalyptus coming off there. Very refreshing, exhilarating scent with the eucalyptus. And with the cedar, it really creates a wonderful floral yet warm bouquet. Post your comments below. Are you into electronic diffusing your own botanical aromatherapy ingredients? Thanks for watching.